In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a very cute ponytail in 5 minutes or less. Now let's get started. So first off, we're going to start by taking a hairband and we're going to tie our hair back in a very high ponytail. You kind of want to smooth it out as much as you can. Okay, so now that we have the ponytail, you want to just kind of smooth it out a little bit. So now we just have one ponytail, and I'm just going to pull it up kind of as high as I can. I mean, this is preference only. You don't have to put it as high. So once I have a ponytail, I'm going to take an elastic hairband, and I'm just going to create another ponytail. And I'm going to keep doing this all the way down my hair. And depending on the length of your hair, you're going to have more ponytails for the longer hair. So this is what it looks like so far. And I'm going to take another elastic band and I'm going to tie the next piece. Part looks like this. We have a few ponytails there. And I'm going to take one more elastic band for the bottom. Okay, and you might want to pull that down a little bit more. So this is what it looks like. I kind of want to make it a little bit higher, so I'm just going to keep tightening the ponytail so it moves up a little bit more. So now this is what it looks like on the side. Now, if you don't like it flying around, which I don't usually like mine to fly around too much, I kind of pin it so it stays in this position, and you can just pin it this way. It just gives it a different type of look. This is how I prefer to wear it. And then from the front, kind of looks like this. So you can do a lot with bobby pins. So you can leave it like it is, where it just hangs there, or you can bobby pin it, which gives it a different kind of look so it doesn't move around. And this is and then from the front, it looks like this. And then you can always pin these in a little bit more if you don't. I don't really like it to look too thick. I will take a few more bobby pins and just pin these sides here. So there you have it. Very, very cute ponytail. Multi-ponytail. If you find this content helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. All of the links to the products that I will be using will be in the description below. If you have any comments on my video, or if you'd like to see some other type of video, please leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next video.